Hi guys, welcome back again to Cooking with Diska. So today is very exciting day for me because I'm going to cook my dear friend of mine favorite food, Ariana, because he's going to go back to Indonesia for a long time, so I'm gonna miss him. So today I'm going to cook special food for him. It's called Kepiting Saus Padang, or spicy crab with Indonesian spicy sauce. Let's start it. So for the ingredient today, for the paste, we have garlic, shallot, ginger, candle nut, turmeric, and I have Thai bird chili. If you don't like it too spicy, you can skip it, but because I do love spicy, so I'm gonna add it. And this is for the paste. And for the other ingredient, we have lemongrass, red big chili, keffir lime leaf, onion, eggs, and we have oil. And I also have corn that I already boiled before. And for the sauce, I'm using this sauce. I'm using chili sauce, but I prefer to use Indonesian chili sauce because it have a slight sweet taste, so it's really suit on what I cooking today. So usually I use ABC, or you can use also sambal belibis. This one you can easily find in any Asian store. And we have tomato sauce and oyster sauce. And of course, we have crab. For today, I'm using Australian blue swimmer crab. I already cleaned it before. I will show you how to clean it. So this one, I'm not gonna fry it or boil it first, because in Indonesia usually you can fry it first, or you can steam, or you can boil before you cook, because sometimes you have the egg still intact. So if you want the egg still intact, then you can fry, steam, or boil first before you cook. But in Australia, it's very strict about crab. We can't use any crab with the eggs. That's why I don't need to cook it beforehand. So I'm gonna just mix it with the sauce later on. Okay, let's start cooking. First, I'm going to make the paste. So all these ingredients, I'm gonna blend it smoothly. Gonna slice the chili. And I slice the onion. crush the lemongrass. And just slightly slice the keffir lime leaf just to bring out the aroma. Okay, our preparation are done and we're going to start cooking now. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Add the cooking oil. Now we're going to add the ingredient that we sliced before. Onion first. Chili. Lemongrass. And keffir lime leaf. We saute until it's slightly cooked. When the onions start to caramelize a little bit, now is the time to add our spices, our paste before. We have to make sure our paste is really cooked because you don't want to leave like a little bit bitter taste behind from the turmeric. And for the turmeric and candle nut, if you couldn't find the whole one, you definitely can use the powder. When you see your paste is a little bit dry and you see the paste is start to separate it from the oil, then you know your paste is already cooked. And now I'm gonna add the sauce that I explained before, the oyster sauce, tomato ketchup, and sweet and chili sauce, Indonesian chili sauce. Just put together into the paste. Mix it well. Add our crab. We're gonna add water, not too much. And we will cover it for a few minutes, not too long because it's not long to cook a crab. It's already changed color now, so it means our crab is cooked. We add the corn that we already boiled before. Now we're going to add the salt and pepper, but not too much because we already add our sauce, the chili sauce and tomato ketchup and also oyster sauce. They have their own salt in it. So just put a little bit and taste it. Then you can add more if you think it's not enough. Taste first. Another one. So yummy. So first I'm gonna add the eggs. Turn off the heat and we mix it. See, the sauce is become thick and creamy. This is similar like Singaporean chili crab, but this one we have more Indonesian spices in it. Okay, our spicy crab is ready. So Andrea is here. It's time for us to taste the food. What do you think, Dre? The presentation is good?
Wow, it's amazing.
Okay, let's try.
It's mouth-watering.
This is so.
Thank you very much.
It's us Indonesian. We always like everything eat with rice. But if you don't like rice, you can eat it with a mantou bun. This is, I bought it packaged already from Asian store. It's ready to fry. You can either steam it or fry it. But if in my opinion, it's with chili crab, it's nice to fry it. You wash your hand? Because we cannot eat in Indonesian way.
Yeah, using hands, right?
Okay, try.
Let's try. Okay.
Let's try.
Let's eat.
The crab first. Try the crab first.
Okay.
Look at this one. Still very juicy.
Ooh, yummy. Yummy, Dre. Wow, really good.
How Surabayan say it? Enak rek? Enak rek?
Enak rek. Stop.
Is it too spicy for you?
No.
No?
Apparently, like I can handle it. I can handle the spice. It's really good.
The sauce is to die for.
Yeah. It's savory and at the same time like it's a bit of spice for me, but like I can handle the spicy.
And the egg, it makes the sauce is creamy and thick.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, actually, I'm going to put one for you. Why is two for me?
I don't know. I thought like you were going to share to me. Taste.
Today we have triple carbohydrate: rice, corn, and mantou. Try the mantou, Dre.
Yeah, sure.
With the sauce, it's very nice as well.
I'm gonna dip it there, is it?
Dip it. I still got plenty there.
Okay.
Nice, too, isn't it?
Really nice, crispy outside, sweet soft inside.
I'm gonna eat more. Okay. The crab full of meat. Look at this. I'm gonna mention bread.
I'll come back for sure.
You're gonna miss my cook?
Of course, it's really nice. Every time like I'm going to your house and then like we have like dinner together, like it's really nice. Especially you love spicy food. I do love spicy food as well, which is like.
Don't make me cry. I don't know. I'm going to cry because of food or because his work.
This one.
Okay, Dre. Before we continue our eat, can you closing for me, please?
Thank you, Diska, for the food.
You're welcome.
It's really wonderful, great. If you like this spicy crab here,
or Kepiting Saus Padang,
please like, thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. And also comments are welcome.
And if you want to know the complete recipe and how to cook it, please check the description box for more inspiration Indonesian home cooking. Thank you guys for watching us today and see you next time. Bye.
Bye.